Hello everyone. Reversal of type 2 diabetes. Is it actually possible? In this video, I have collected information of 3 fabulous doctors and one fabulous organization who are actually doing this job. Yes, you heard it right. Reversal of diabetes. 2 of these doctors have already given a speech at TEDx. One more interesting thing about this video is that at the end of the video, you'll be able to get a practical solution for your diabetes problem. This is Vidyashri with Vinayaka Kodur. Let's get started. In one of her TEDx speech, Sarah Hallberg says that the American Diabetes Association guidelines are never aimed at reversal of diabetes. But fortunately, there have been doctors who have gone away from these guidelines and they have taken efforts to find out the key for reversal of type 2 diabetes. First of all, let us understand how this diabetes occurs. So there is a cell with a door, there is glucose inside the blood, and this glucose comes from the food that we eat, and there is a key for which the glucose has to use the key to open the door of the cell and enter into the cell so that the cell can get energy. Now in type 2 diabetes, the door has a problem. So how much ever insulin let the body produce, the door is not opening it at all. So that's why the glucose can't enter the cell. The amount of glucose in the blood goes on and on and on and increasing. So that's why in type 2 diabetes we get high amount of blood sugar. Now what about the keys? What about the insulin? Now insulin a little bit is dangerous. Why? Because it is in large amounts. Insulin induces hunger. Insulin increases fat storage. When the person eats food, because lot of insulin and lot of hunger, the person goes eating. So there is a cycle produced. More amount of insulin, that's why the person eats more. He eats more to put the glucose into the cell. Insulin is produced more. Insulin is produced more, the food is converted into fat. The person becomes obese. Again hunger, and the cycle goes on like this. Sarah Hallberg explains the mechanism. Now we have to take food in order to take the medications. Now these medications have a side effect of reducing the blood sugar to very low level, which is not suggested. That's why you have to take food. Now you have taken food, that's why you have to take medication so that your blood sugar does not increase to a very high level. Now you have taken medication. Again, to avoid the side effect of medication, you have to be consuming food for a short interval. And that's what the cycle goes on and on and on and on. And that's where you have to understand the guidelines are never aimed at reversal of diabetes. In the first place, let us look at Sarah Hallberg itself. She has been a TEDx talker. And if you look at her, she looks fit. She looks active. Why? She says that whatever diet she has prescribed to her patients for diabetes reversal is the diet that she consumes herself. That means she practices what she preaches. Okay, let me tell you a story of a 60-year-old woman who had come to her clinic. Now this 60-year-old woman came to her clinic with a complaint of getting sick again and again. And when she got there and got her diabetes reversed, now she doesn't have to prick her finger multiple times a day. She doesn't have to take those 300 units of insulin. She doesn't have to take any kind of medications. She is on a perfectly healthy diet, and over that, she is never getting sick again and again. That's what Sarah Hallberg does at her clinic to the patients. Next, let us come to Neil Barnard. He is also a TEDx talker, and if you look at him, he looks fit and he looks active. His approach to treat diabetes is vegan dietary approach. And vegan, that is completely plant-based, avoiding all the animal and animal-based products. That is what he does. That's really magical to his patient, is what he says. I'm an Indian. then if I need any solution for type 2 diabetes, then I need a doctor who stays in India, right? Yes, there is a doctor. His name is Dr. Pramod Tripathi. Now, if you look at him, he looks fit and active. But one more interesting that I found here was that he has done his MBBS course, then he has taken a PG diploma in diabetes and management, and then he has also blended his career with certificates in yoga and Ayurveda. Along with that, he among his teammates, one of the teammate is he's expert in physiology, he's expert in psychology. So that means all of these streams of medicine are being blended in order to treat a patient. Let us look at the aims at which they are trying to achieve. The first thing is to stop wrong things, start right things, and then to allow the natural innate healing power of the body to act at its fullest level to solve the diabetes problem. Their aim is to hit the root cause of the problem, and then if we look at general approach at their treatment, then the first thing is medical approach, the second thing is yoga, second thing is yoga and yes, also inner transformation, the third thing is exercise of the patient, and finally the fourth thing is the most important, that is the diet thing. So all of these are collaboratively looked into, and everything has been collaborated to treat the patients. And there is a 7-stage reversal according to which he explains. In the second stage, the patient is completely free of medications, and if the patient does not have much complications of diabetes, then he can reach the stage 7, where the patient is completely free of diabetes, he can eat anything, and yes, definitely his medications have stopped. He has set up an organization called as Freedom from Diabetes, and they are running workshops, actually online as well as offline workshops. You can go up to their link of Freedom from Diabetes, and you can look up, and you can also attend one of their workshops to see how actually they are approaching the patients. The next organization is Sattvic Movement. Sattvic Movement, you would have seen their YouTube videos. They have their own channel. Their approach to the patient is again in terms of the diet, in terms of yoga and exercise, as well as detoxification of the body, as well as arising the human's inner natural power of healing. So they have completely, one thing that I liked about them was they have completely explained about the diet that a patient can consume, the scientific way of how and why and when to consume the diet, and what are the symptoms that come to you when you consume these diets, and how actually exercise has to be done has been completely focused in their videos. Their videos are actually available on the YouTube, and you can go and check them out. They also conduct online workshops on their website. You can go and check it on their website. I have given all the links required in the description box below. You can go there and you can see it of yourself. Yes, so a practical solution would be very simple. You can go to their online websites, that is Freedom from Diabetes and Sattvic Movement, also Neil Barnard and Sarah Hallberg. You can go to their websites and check out whatever they have given. Once you get completely faith, once you understand the way how they are working with you, then you can definitely enroll in one of their workshops and get the maximum benefit from them. So at last, I would like to say some things. If you look at all the 3 doctors in one organization, the people who are running that organization, all are fit, and they say that their diet is the main thing that is keeping them fit. And that's where we have to see. We have forgotten entirely that Ayurveda says that food is medicine. Even Hippocrates says that our medicine should be our food and our food should be our medicine. That's where it ends up all. Food and physical activity, both are very important.